How's it going, YouTube? My name is Ari and welcome back to Blue Lion Finance. Now, if you are brand new to the Blue Lion Finance channel, not to worry, let me catch you up to speed in sharing with you that this channel is all about investing and my personal journey to amassing $100,000 within my Vanguard brokerage account. Now, as of today, that very account holds $72,125.66. So of course, if you've been following along on this journey with me so far, you'll have noticed that we've actually taken a slight dip, but not to worry, the entire market this week has actually been down. The jobs report came in and that was pitiful, but look, we have a long road of an economic recovery, and anytime the market goes into a retreat mode, that presents a perfect opportunity for folks like you and me to actually go ahead and throw more money into the market, which is exactly what I did this week, investing more and growing my position with Invitae, Gamida, Tesla, Pacific Biosciences, and Aqua Bounty Technologies. So all companies that I'm incredibly confident in that have the ability to change the trajectory of our entire future. But with all of those updates aside, today's video is all about Tesla and whether or not this company is even still a buy, and if you should buy in regardless of that stock price of Tesla. So more to that to come. Make sure you watch this video through and through. And of course, just before we dive in, go ahead and tap on that thumbs up button. It will greatly help me out on this financial journey and getting the Blue Lion Finance word out there. But moreover, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and tap on that subscribe button while you're at it. And with all of that being said, let's get right to it. All right, so here I am again thinking about Tesla and whether or not this company is actually a strong buy, if I should buy more shares of Tesla to increase my position with it, or I should just let it be because it's far too overvalued at this point in time. Now, I'm actually going to shamefully admit to all of you that it took me far too long to even get invested in Tesla, and that's because I was listening to all the noise of Wall Street. I was listening to the analysts who were sitting there trying to calculate all the numbers of Tesla and whether or not that they are fair valued. But here's the deal when it came to Tesla in the very beginning, and it holds true to this day. If you're going to invest in a company like Tesla, you cannot listen to the noise of Wall Street. I want you to think about how many people thought Steve Jobs was some Looney Tune who had no idea what he was talking about. Well, literally, here we are today with everybody just about owning either a sliver of Apple stock or at least an actual Apple in hand. No, I'm not talking about the fruit, but the phone or the computer itself. Now, fast forward, and here we are with a guy like Elon Musk, who is literally the visionary of our time, telling us here's how the future is going to be. And not only is he telling us what it's going to look like, but he is showing us how to get there, and he has already begun his mission on getting us to that future. So bottom line, that's all I'm saying, is a guy like Elon Musk is somebody that is just a visionary that you have to believe in, and investing in Tesla is more like investing in Elon Musk's vision. And all of that time wasted without investing in Tesla has certainly cost me a ton of money. But last year in 2020, I actually took the plunge. I went ahead, I threw some money into Tesla, buying myself 6 shares. And you'll see that from those 6 shares, I actually made well over $2,000. So thank you, Tesla and Elon Musk, for that profit. But now here I am once again questioning if I should throw even more money into Tesla. And my answer at this point in time is a resounding yes, but I want to go ahead and actually cover the reason behind that answer. So first off, we actually have about 30 analysts of Wall Street saying that Tesla could reach a target high price of $1,200 per share. Now, right now it's sitting at about $790 to that $800 mark. So certainly some room to grow, but get this, we have really bullish investors like Cathie Wood saying, what? $1,200, that's really just the beginning. Now that all makes me incredibly excited about Tesla simply because people have been wrong about Tesla, well, really since its founding. That's inclusive of people like myself. So again, when it comes to Tesla, I'm looking to Elon Musk and figures like Cathie Wood who have stood the test of time in investing more and more into Tesla, believing in this Tesla journey, and now here we are today about to make an even bigger Tesla footprint on the world. So it's important to note that right now Tesla owns about 80% of the market when it comes to electric vehicles, And as of that price target of that stock share price getting to $1,200, that's really all dependent upon Tesla actually hitting their sales goals and production goals, getting Tesla to pass about 750 to 800,000 vehicles sold in 2021. That's about a 50% growth, and the big question is, could Elon Musk do it? And in my personal opinion, I mean, just leave it to Elon Musk. This guy has proven us wrong time and time again. And what I have to say in regards to sales and his production is that last year in 2020, they produced 500,000 vehicles, and this year they're well on their way to producing that 750 to 800,000 mark, simply because they have the new factories going up. We have Austin, Texas, we have China, and now they are engaged in talks with India. So all incredible news, but here's what's most exciting about this is the very fact that there has been some inside sources proclaiming that Tesla and Elon Musk have an intentional goal of selling over 1 million vehicles this year in 2021. And if they can do that, I am absolutely certain that the stock price will be well above that $1,200 mark.
But wait, there's actually more.
Because Elon Musk and Tesla always play off of supply and demand. And we've seen from Tesla's history that in the beginning of a year, demand is usually lower for Tesla, but that means that Tesla right now at this point in time has been dropping the prices of their cars to make it more affordable for people like you and me, actually meaning that the demand is likely just to continue to rise as more affordable vehicles hit the market for people like us. Now, not only is that just fantastic news, but we have to actually take into account Joe Biden and what his administration is doing in terms of working towards a green revolution. And they are about to give all of us tax credits for simply buying electric vehicles. So yes, just think about that. If you buy an electric vehicle, you could potentially get a $7,000 tax credit for doing so, which ultimately means the price of a Tesla is going to be significantly reduced and crazy affordable for all. Now, while all of that makes me incredibly bullish on Tesla and confident to go ahead and actually buy more and growing my position with Tesla, nothing makes me more bullish in Tesla than actually listening to Cathie Wood and her prediction for where Tesla is actually heading. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and let Cathie take it away from here. Cathie?
Gotta start with your biggest holding. It's Tesla. In the ARK Innovation Fund, it's also in the Next Gen Internet Fund, it's also in the Technology and Robotics Fund that you run. How do you feel about Tesla's price now, and are you still adding to your position?
Yes, well, as you know, we report our trades every day, and you will see that we have been adding to Tesla. Our confidence in Tesla has grown as we've done research on what ride sharing potentially could add. It could limit the risk significantly. It's a much more profitable business than electric vehicles. And we do think, even though I think there's some debate at Tesla whether or not they should launch a human-driven ride-hailing network, it would be a very good bridge, we think, to their autonomous strategy, and we think they will decide to do that. I don't think anyone has in their models anything for ride sharing. And then as time goes on and we learn about their artificial intelligence expertise, the 30 billion miles they've collected of real-world driving data, no one comes close, not even, I think Google might be at 30 million compared to 30 billion. And we know that in the AI world, and autonomous is AI, that the company with the most data and the best quality data will win. So we're pretty excited about autonomous, and the probability of success in autonomous, we believe, is going up. And therefore, our price target will probably follow at some point.
So, holy smokes, I don't know if you caught that, but in that short clip, you've just heard Cathie Wood pretty much allude to the fact that she's not bullish on Tesla just because they have electric vehicles. She's incredibly bullish on Tesla because of their autonomous driving ability and moreover, the ability for them to actually become some robo-taxi service as they collect more and more data. Now, whether it's Tesla actually getting to that 1 million vehicle production mark, them actually bringing down the cost of their vehicles, or perhaps it's just Cathie Wood and her bullish predictions on Tesla, I'd absolutely love to know what exactly your thoughts are on Tesla, whether or not you think it's a strong buy at this point in time. So go ahead, comment below. And of course, if you've learned something new, you've liked this video and taken something away, go ahead and tap on that thumbs up. And moreover, if you have not already, go ahead and tap on that subscribe button because I'd personally love to have you along for the journey with me. Now, with all of that being said, I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the next video.